So our friends over at Rolling Square have kind of been on a barrage of releasing some new products. And this is a pretty simple product, and the video should be nice and short. But they released this super tiny GaN basically wall charger, wall brick. So I believe this is a 65 watt. So if you look at like Apple's 20 watt, it's a good size. Even their old 5 watt was small. Now, once you start getting into 40s and 60s and hundreds and stuff like that, those bricks start to become considerably larger. So it was kind of cool to see that Rolling Square actually has now this super tiny, you guys can see it here, right? Super tiny GaN charger. So again, very similar to, how they package all their stuff. Not much in there for anything else, just the charger itself, because, well, it's a charger. So it either charges or it doesn't. But I wanted you guys to just kind of see it. And that's that's it. Comes with the wall plug, which folds. And as you can see here, USB-C. So this is nice and tiny. So again, if packing in a small bag, having something again that's kind of an everyday carry, something that you kind of just bring with you so you know you have enough power to charge stuff. I know for me, I ride a lot on a motorcycle, which means storage is very limited. So being able to have small is always good. Now again, this one only does have one USB-C plug, but if you only need to plug one thing in, it charges nice and fast, 65 watts. And I do think, again, I think this is for heat, right? Just so that it doesn't heat up too much. But, you know, come on now. That's tiny. Anyways, Rolling Square now has these on their website. Again, we are going to be looking at another one, maybe two of their products. We'll see in the future. But as for now, this one is definitely going in the bag because I think it's cool, it's handy, and it's something really that pretty much every one of us needs is wall chargers. You just can't have enough. All right, guys, links down below to where you can find this on Rolling Square's website, and I will see you guys next video. Later.